Hello, my name is Barry Edgman. I'm the founder and leader of FatherSeekers. FatherSeekers is a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and we serve fatherless communities and cultures by helping men reclaim purpose, identity, sonship, and legacy. And we do that three ways: content, community, and coaching. We create content that is posted weekly. It posts on our website and our YouTube channel. Community is both online and in person. We believe that it is beyond significant for every man to be a part of a healthy, growing community of other men with like-minded purpose, seeking to be better and more effective leaders, not only in their home, in their community, but also in their workplace. And then, of course, coaching and mentorship. Coaching is helping men become the best they can at the position they are in, that they serve in as father, leader, business owner, worker, whatever it is, but also to be mentored. Mentorship is a long arc leadership opportunity for men to walk with other experienced men, evaluated experience, helping them become the best that they can be. Now, our mission is simple and it's measurable. Father Seekers exist to restore fatherhood to original design, leading men to an awakening of the fatherhood of God, but also equipping them to live with clarity and emotional maturity and strong character. Our work not only strengthens communities, homes, personal individuals, but it also strengthens leaders, teams, and the workplace. Now, the question is, does Father Seekers have relevance in the workplace? It does. Many CEOs and high capacity leaders privately carry wounds of fatherlessness manifesting as directional insecurity, perfection, performance driven identity, isolation, or lack of early guidance. Healthy leadership begins with a healthy identity. Father Seekers exist to address that gap at its root. Now, fatherlessness affects everybody. It affects perhaps you. I know it has me, but it would affect most of the people in your organization, many of your executive and intermediate leaders is affected by fatherlessness. We've all faced it. We've all seen the effects, but perhaps not know how to address those. We lead people, and their performance, character, leadership, their production ability, all play a distinctive role in their personal health, their home, their life, and the value to the corporation and the business. It affects your bottom line. I'm sure that you're a leader who cares as much about developing leaders and people as you do your bottom line. And that's where we can help. We would love to do that. We can do it online or on site. We make ourselves available to you. Now, here's our ask. We have 4 different ones. Number 1, if you are a praying person, we would ask that you would pray for our organization and that we would be effective in our mission. Number 2, we would ask that you become familiar with our website and our YouTube channel and perhaps recommend it or share it with other people or perhaps your employees. Number 3, we would ask that you represent our brand and that you would help us by being a brand ambassador, perhaps sharing this with other business owners or CEOs that you're aware of that could use the information and the help that we would offer. And then number 4, we would ask for your corporate help, financial help, sponsorship, perhaps. It's fully tax deductible, any donation you make. It is a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and we need your help to do this more effectively, not only in our communities, our churches, but also in the workplace. This is Barry Edgman with Father Seekers. Thank you for your time. Below, there's a button, CEO Summary. It's a 2-minute read. It gives more information that would be helpful to you. Thanks again.